Today I'm going to show you how to make a puppet like this one. So let's just get right into it. First, get a toilet roll. Draw a square on it like this. And cut it out using a craft knife. Use this to create the same shape on the other side. Like this. Divide it into 5. Cut along the lines using a craft knife. Color it in using 5 different markers. Draw smiley faces on each one using a black marker. And there you have it. Your own DIY puppet.